Hey guys, we have two different wireless headphones here. The first one is from Soundcore by Anker, which is the Life Q20s, and we have the Soundsurge 60 by Taotronics. You can find both on Amazon right now for 59 euros, and sometimes you find a discount and you can save like 10 to 15 euros. And I just wanted to have budget noise cancelling headphones. I know there are like really good noise cancelling headphones like the Bose or the Sony's, but I'm not willing to pay that much money. It's around 220, 250 right now. But I thought I'd start with like budget models and see how this noise cancelling is working on them. I couldn't find a comparison between them, so I thought I'd just do it by myself and see which suits me better in the end. So right out of the box, I have to say that both were and are good looking. They're not bad, to be honest. Both are very plasticky and very chunky, if you can see. These ones are the one from Soundcore and this one is the Soundsurge. I have to say for the Soundcores, it's a little bit more premium, also like the packaging and all that stuff is just a little bit better. The ear cups are more soft than the ones from Taotronics. They also use memory foam, which is quite nice. They're a little bit lighter than the Taotronics. These are 260 grams and those are 280 grams. With the headphones comes a small bag for the Soundcores, which includes two cables, 3.5mm audio cable and also a micro USB cable. It's the same for the Taotronics, but the difference is they have a hard case, and I have to say that this is quite nice to have like a hard case for your headphones. So this fits in this one. You just fold them together. Both are foldable. So you just put them in the bag. This is very good if you have you don't listen to them. You just throw them in the bag. So hard case is a little bit better than just a simple bag. And the comfort level of both headphones, I have to say that the Taotronic doesn't fit me as good as the Soundcores, because the ear cups is a little bit, these are a little bit, the holes are a little bit bigger and they're like over my ear instead of from the Taotronics, which are overlapping my ear. So that has a small impact on the music I listen to, because it just sounds a little bit closer to the music if you have headphones which are like really over your ear. And so this is how they look on person. They are a little bit chunky as mentioned before, but I guess it's okay. I mean, I don't have to see myself listening to music, so it shouldn't bothering me. And the same for the Soundsurge. You can also feel that those are a little bit heavier than the ones, but it's just a slight difference. To the sound quality, both are okay, but I guess for the Ankers it's a little bit better. It's better. There are better highs and mids. The lows are okay. The bass is really great, because for the Soundcores you have a bass up mode, so you tap 2 times on the play button and then you turn on the bass up. And the bass from the Taotronics is, I would say, right between the two levels from the Soundcore. So it depends on what you like more. I guess it's always good to have like a choice between a lot of bass and not that much bass. Overall, both have okay sound. I would say, or I would stick with them, because I think the earpads are making a lot right now for me, because they're just like over my head, over my ear, and so I'm just closer to the music. So I would recommend you, if you listen to a lot of, I guess, music with a lot of bass, like EDM, hip hop, you can't go wrong with both of them, to be honest. If you're listening to a lot of indie rock with a lot of guitars, like I do, there are better options, to be honest. I use the Marshall Monitor headphones, and I have to say they are like really good for that kind of music. But if you're just looking for headphones with noise cancelling, and it doesn't matter to you if you're listening to indie rock or something like this, I guess I would stick with the Ankers, because the sound is slightly better than the ones from Taotronics. If you turn on the noise cancelling mode, the one from Anker is slightly better. I used it on the street, on the bus, and also at home when I was turning on the washing machine. And when I turn it on, I have to say the sound from the washing machine was there, but it wasn't bothering me as much as when I was using the Taotronics, because they're not cancelling anything, to be honest. So the noise cancelling system on the Soundcores are much better. They also have like this hybrid noise cancelling, which have like these microphone feedbacks on outside and also inside, and Taotronics has just like normal noise cancelling. I just know that Taotronics has the BB-TH60 or 46 or 64, I don't know it right now. But those have also hybrid noise cancelling. So if there's a deal in the near future, I guess I would try them out to see which noise cancelling system is better, like from the Soundcore or from the other Taotronics. But between those two models, I have to say noise cancelling on this one is much better than the Taotronics. Both are featuring Bluetooth 5.0, and I have to say that if I use the Taotronics in the other room and connecting with my phone in this room, there's no breaking between the connection. But if I use it for the Soundcore, the connection breaks off quite a few times, so that's not good, to be honest. If this is also featuring 5.0 Bluetooth, maybe I just had this is like a problem on this headphones. I don't know, to be honest, but both should featuring 5.0. The Taotronics, the feature on this one is they have this fast charging mode, which allows you to charge up 2 hours of playing in 5 to 10 minutes. And in general, you have a play time of 30 hours for both of them. But for the Soundcore, I recently saw that there's an upgraded version, and it gives you 40 hours of playtime. So if you're like me and you sometimes forget to recharge your headphones, maybe the 40-hour upgraded version is a little bit better for you. Other than this, I have to say both are really good, but the Ankers are, or the Soundcores are slightly better. Also like this, the look, a little bit more premium feeling. It's a little bit softer. The noise cancelling is way better than this Soundsurge. I mean, if you're looking for noise cancelling headphones, this should be the focus. The sounding is a little bit better than this Soundsurge. Just the case is a nice addition, plus the problem with the Bluetooth 5.0. And also the weird thing on the Ankers is that you can't reach the maximum volume level of the Taotronics. They're like not the volume is just not good. I don't know why, but you can reach usual maximum volume level with the Soundcores somehow. Yes, so if you're looking for budget noise cancelling headphones, go with the Soundcores. I guess these are okay, but it's the same price range and they look a little bit better, so go with the Soundcore. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments and I will see what I can do.